You know, feeding the birds is a lot of fun. Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. And there are a myriad of feeders that you can buy to feed the birds in and around your home. This is just one of many that you can place on top with a little top to keep the squirrels out. And the birds will come in here and they'll eat all the feed in there, and you'll keep them nice and healthy. This particular bird feed that we're using is kind of under that waste-free style, meaning that what's offered is a much smaller feed so that the birds can consume all of it. Sometimes like the sunflower shells are a little bit too big for smaller birds and they end up on the ground. You can see what I did right here. I just put a tray from a large pot to catch that seed, and this is kind of a trick you can do with a feeder like this, because as the birds are going ahead and going to eat this, they're going to spill some of that seed. That's going to end up on the grass. It can become mildew and moldy. It can actually cause the grass, if you have an area underneath there that is filled with grass or plants, not to grow. It can also attract rodents, and the squirrels like to hang out down here as well. So by using a container like this, if you're somebody that is using bird feeders around your home, it allows you to collect any of the seed that gets spilled in there, and then, you know, once a week or so you can come back in there, take the top off and pour that in there, so you have less waste. And basically what you're doing is the money you're spending on this good seed to feed the birds around your home is actually going to do that, feeding the birds, not ending up on the ground. Remember, Ace is the helpful place.